How to manage notifications in the TradingView app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are in TradingView and wondering how to manage your notifications, here is how you do it. First of all, open the TradingView app on your device and sign in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. And once you're inside this page, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button. Now select the push notifications tab, and on the next page, make sure that the options under push notifications are enabled. If you see this toggle switch turn black, it means you have enabled the notification for these options. For example, if you don't want to be alerted while someone follows you, simply switch off the button right next to when someone follows you, and so on. You can also enable some of the notifications out there which you need and turn off those that you don't need. If you don't want any kind of a notification from the TradingView app, then you'll need to go to the settings application from your smartphone. Inside settings app, scroll down and tap on apps. Inside app, look for TradingView application from the list. Tap on it, and on the next page, tap on notifications. And now, switch off the button right next to allow notifications if you want to turn off the notification from TradingView app. But if you want to be alerted on recent updates or in-app notifications, then you can always switch this button on whenever you prefer. So that's how you can customize or manage your notifications in TradingView app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.